Semantic Embedding Cluster Extraction. This is a concept I recently discovered. It's not particularly advanced, but I believe is a great framework for getting started building chatbots on entirely unstructured data. Let me show you how it works. As an example, let's take market research as our domain, where we have our data as blog articles or tweets about specific companies. Step 1, acquire data. This method is particularly useful if you have entirely unstructured data, text, PDFs, HTML pages. For our market research, we can just set up a tweet ingestion system that listens to tweets mentioning any stock ticker from the NASDAQ stock exchange. Then we can dump this into a SQL database for later. Step 2, pre-processing. Clean your data and structure it. If your documents are large, you may need to chunk them into several components. We might remove any funky characters from our dataset and format it with only alphanumeric characters. Step 3, embedding. Use vector embeddings like from OpenAI to vectorize your documents. Let's use the newest vector embeddings from OpenAI to get some vectors and store this in a NumPy array. Step 4, unsupervised clustering. Use k-means or some other unsupervised clustering algorithm to cluster your document into k clusters. Let's use 100 clusters. Step 5, sampling extraction. Now you have your documents partitioned into k clusters. So sample x samples from each cluster, concatenate them and feed into an LLM to extract some information using prompts like, what do all these documents have in common? Are they describing positive or negative sentiment? Step 6, utilize your extracted features as effective heuristics in a conversational AI engine, or just as a noisy signal extraction. Now we can ask it questions like, what are some companies that are really hyped up right now? Are there any companies in the fintech space that are a good value buy in the last 2 months? I'm going to be iterating on this method and trying to integrate the classic data science methods with generative AI approaches. Reach out to learn more about our custom solutions for your business, or if you have any interest in setting these up yourself.